Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What's the different types of the internal energy? So we got sensible, latent, chemical, and nuclear. So the more in-depth explanation is that we have the list as above, but the sensible internal energy is a result from translational, rotation, and vibration motions. Okay, before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, you can follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once it's open, click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool, and that will stop your recording, the red square that is. And then you can save your video. So thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, you can become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.